so let's get in here. Drop the keys. In performance. Not really. This is just a base model. But okay, so let's see what this is all about. See if we can get this guy somehow off. And alright guys, so my hair is a little messy. That's what happens when you get old. So okay, so what you want to do is just get behind here. That was easy. You basically split this two open. So what you do is so this is all coming like one piece sitting around the mirror. You split them open in the back by the window right here, and it just comes off easy. So this is the new one. It has a camera on. So let's crack this one open and see what this one is all about. No, that wasn't plastic. That was just this wrapper that popped. We didn't break anything. Okay, so previous video I've done it on a Mercedes, and I installed the same brand camera. So the thing is with these cameras, they're super easy, super simple to use. And once you order these things, you tell them what color combination of the car you have inside, and they'll match it. If it's black, they'll match the black one. If it's, for example, I changed a Mercedes one, it was tan. They sent me a tan one, so it's matching your interior. Like, so once you install this, it looks close to original or close to, I don't think the plastic quality is the same. This one is a little rough, the original. It's not shiny. This one's got a shine to it. But I mean, overall looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and split this one open and see what we got to do to connect it. Okay, so you can use your tool, the orange plastic trim tool. And you can open it with it. Just be careful because it's got these little tiny clips. You don't want to break any of these guys, because it's gonna be, then you're gonna have to probably use some sort of glue to keep this together. Or you can always use a zip tie, just zip there. It's a BMW, so nothing special. Okay. Plug this guy over here. Put this guy over here. Okay. And now we gotta, oh, the camera's on, look. Can somebody tell me in English what she said? Okay. So I'm guessing this one goes like this. Okay. Okay, young lady, give me a second. Let me try connecting this guy. All right, so we gotta do one side. Somehow we gotta find out what are we gonna do with all the wires. I got you. Whatever you said. Okay, so we got all the wires up, tucked in. So now let's okay. Did I do it right? Looks like it. I don't know, she's trying to talk to me probably, but I'm not getting it. All right guys, so this is the install. I mean, explaining wise, pretty simple. You got your on button, and you can also have a camera button on here. So when somebody happens, or you need to get somebody's plates, just snap a quick picture and you got them. So I don't know, she's still talking. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Simple install. Your camera is sitting right here, so when you're driving, you're looking out in the mirror, you are not gonna see the camera unless you like get down here and start peeking. Or from the side. Yeah, this is it. It looks pretty cool, guys. So they give you all these extra wires, so you can run this directly to your fuse box, plug it into the camera, so it runs in certain times when you don't want it. You can also hook it up to your OBD port and ground and things like that. Then you hook these two up together. You can also run them around the dashboard through your pillar, headliner, and plug them in. But what I did with this one, I plugged this one into a rain sensor, and it works just fine. So you're not going to be losing your functions from your rain sensor, but your camera will be running all the time, and you'll have a great quality videos. And so once you do this, you do get one of these guys. So the camera is Papago, that's what the brand is. So you'll scan one of these, download yourself an app, and once you get the app downloaded, you will be asked to connect to Wi-Fi. So you connect to Wi-Fi, your camera Wi-Fi, to your cell phone, and type in the password, and you're in. That's how simple it is. So I'm about to download the app and log in and go from there. This should be super simple, super easy install for those of you guys that are just, I mean, it's really handy, and you don't need any wires, you don't need anything on your windshield, nothing. Everything is nice and simple and super good. So all good, camera installed. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and make sure you subscribe down to the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see if I can pull up the link on this one, and see if I can have you guys go ahead and order yourself one if you need to. You can email directly to the customer and tell them what interior color your car is and what kind of car you have, or send them a picture of your rearview mirror. Basically, take a picture like this, and they'll send you the camera. You can do air freight, which is a little more expensive, but if you do ground shipping, it takes a little while, but it's very inexpensive, and it's a pretty good system. So let me go ahead and connect this one, see how it works. And BMW dash cam installed. Looks original.